Theme park vocabulary. Visitor, guest, tourist, park staff, ticket clerk, ride operator, character mascot, performer, first aid staff, entrance gate, entertainer, theme park, exit gate, ride area, kids zone, water park, food court, splash area, snack stand, arcade, first aid center, lost and found, restrooms, locker rooms, swing ride, roller coaster, Ferris wheel, carousel, bumper cars, drop tower, Funhouse, water slide, log flume, lazy river, wave pool, simulator, pirate ship, observation tower, 4D ride, ring toss, shooting gallery, carnival games, balloon darts, prize games, arcade games, face painting, stage show, fireworks show, photo with characters, wristband, fast pass, ride pass, schedule, token, guide brochure, queue line, turnstile, hot dogs, pizza slice, pretzel, nachos, Slushies, buy tickets, scan ticket, ride the attraction, strap in, enter the park, buckle the seatbelt, scream, eat snacks, get wet, watch a show, win prizes, rest on a bench, exit the park, safety bar, seatbelt, life jacket, warning sign, safety rules, height requirement, lifeguard, security guard, ticket booth, parking lot, restaurant, gift shop, souvenir shop, haunted house, parade, ticket, map, stroller, locker, coins, popcorn, cotton candy, ice cream, soda, juice, wait in line, take photos, play games,